Everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share to you the reason why YouTube dollars disappeared on YouTube Studios dashboard. Okay, everybody. If you want to understand, please you active the subtitle Indonesia to English because I cannot speak English clearly. Jadi di sini teman-teman, ini dolarnya hilang itu dikarenakan bug on YouTube, not because our problem, but it's cause YouTube problem. So don't panic. All people as YouTube creator has happened this problem. So please wait until YouTube problem fixed by them. Okay? Maybe that's all can I explain to you why the YouTube dollars or venue that we get on 3 November 3rd is under. Okay? Please you wait this problem fix.